Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Frustrated that PayPal keeps charging your credit card even if you have money in your account? You have total control over your funding hierarchy. And I'm showing you the 30-second fix to make sure your PayPal balance is always the first line of defense before your cards are touched. So let's firstly set your default. So for that, on desktop, you click the PayPal balance icon right here. Then look for the link that says Set as Preferred. So in this here, on the mobile app, you can scroll in your wallet to the Preferences section. Tap Online Purchases and select PayPal Balance. And now every time you check out, PayPal will look at your balance first. And what if you're already at the checkout screen? So when the PayPal window pops up, don't just hit Complete Purchase. Click the arrow or change link next to your payment method, and then select PayPal Balance. Also important note, if your purchase is $50 and you only have $40 in your balance, PayPal will usually skip the balance entirely and charge the full $50 to your card. To fix this, you may need to split the payment if the merchant allows it, or add money to your balance via a debit card before you start the checkout. And that's it, and how you keep your credit card bill clean by using your own funds first. If this hack saved you guys, like the video and subscribe.